Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Back at it once again. This time in the evening, seeing how the equipment works at night. So stand by. I'm gonna show you what the run group is doing. We'll get over there to Cooper's Row, and I'll walk you through the Pearl. All right, stand by. All right, there we go. Pearl parking lot. Hopefully that won't blind us all out. Got some interesting lighting conditions today. Trying to see what works, what doesn't. Check that out. Check that out. Yeah. Let's go check it out. It's I don't know if it'll come through on camera. I hope it does. There's always something nice parked out front. And today, besides the G-Wagon, which is okay, check this baby out. Look at that thing. Alright, we'll walk by it right quick. Can't really see it because alright. Let me take you where there's more light. I don't know if they have yoga over here, but we'll go see. Hey, what's up? Oh yes, they are doing yoga. Cool. Or at least it looks like they're doing yoga from here. Oh, they're not doing yoga. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Nope, but the families are hanging out, and it was hot today. So that's why the umbrellas are open. Nice and easy. Cool train. Remember, that thing's ready to go. Of course, parking lot side of the Pullman Market. And today we hosted, or the DRG was hosted by Ice House over here at Cooper's. Let me get you across the way. Okay. I don't know if everybody left or a lot of people did leave. Otto's Ice House over here.
Can I take one of these towels?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna take one too.
Oh, okay. You want the last one, Javier?
No, I'm good.
Really? It's the last one?
You take it. It's good for you. Take some of these snacks. Oh wow, I left my light. Left my freaking light. Good people, good people.
And it was always like 100. It's like 500.
Let's go check it out. So. Okay.
Gotcha.
Oh, no worries. You good? You good? How you doing? Get a free alcoholic adult beverage after a nice run.
I haven't checked in a minute.
So sad. How you doing? Nice and cool in here. The AC is going. wait, I'll turn it around. A cool picture. right on the river.
Takes up there. Like carry
Oh, that's pretty cool. There's a water fountain. Does it work? Yes, sir. There goes some friends over there. I'm gonna cut it off right here, guys. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this little trip. I'll go ahead and hit you up again. Make sure you guys get outside, get you some outdoor therapy as well. Catch you later. Bye.